thank you for coming back to my channel. Thank you for liking this video. I don't know if you already did that, but please do if you haven't already. So what I'm about to do today, I'm about to get into this sunglasses haul that I have from Quay Australia. Honestly, like, you know when you see an ad that pops up on your fucking Instagram for like the 30th fucking time, you're like, bruh, I gotta check it out. I'm constantly getting ads for Quay, Q-U-A-Y, Australia Sunglasses, all the, you know, the elite YouTubers wear their fucking glasses. Perkins had a line, Jaclyn Hill, before the scandal, she had a collaboration with them, and I just wanted to try them out. And they also had a sale recently, probably the 4th of July sale, and I was like, let me cop some so I can be a fake ass YouTuber having ass bitch. I'm sorry, I love me some good sunglasses despite the fact that I don't wear them often because I wear glasses. And you know, it's eyeglasses where, you know, like, you gotta choose, do you want to see or do you want to be cute? And sometimes they don't always fucking merge together. So hopefully I go somewhere and I can like bust these joints out. So I ordered 2 sunglasses. They came really well packaged. No complaints. Shipping was really fast. Shipping was free, $99. Like I've been told y'all on this fucking website, I mean on this fucking channel, Faith does not like to pay for shipping because I think it's trash. Ooh, this is cute. Is it Quay? Is it K? If you're one of those people who gets annoyed when people mispronounce things, I would definitely tell you to click the fuck out because I'm probably going to slaughter the fucking name like always. For sunglasses, I prefer to have more of a oversized because I have a fat ass face. So yeah, so this is the first pair. Ooh, bruh, I love me some oversized aviators. If I find the name, I'll definitely leave it in the description box if any of y'all fucking care. Ooh, bitch. Oh, these are cute as fuck. Okay, I'm taking these to Antigua, period. Look at me like, who's that? Who that? It's me. Ah! Yo, these are cute as shit. Okay. I fucking see you. Okay. Fucking Quay. Fucking Qua. I really don't know how it's pronounced. And like, again, if you're one of those people who gets bothered by people mispronouncing things, this might not be your fucking video, and that's okay. I hope you do find your video. I believe this set is called the Summer set. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it's fucking called on the outside. Hopefully I can find a link to it. I'm sorry, and I got another one because I don't know, when things are ridiculously cheap, I'm just like, why buy one when you can buy 2? I really feel like I'm officially like on some YouTube shit. Like I got the sparkly ass background. Once I learned how to use my camera, like a real camera, and stop recording on my phone, it's a wrap. It's a wrap for you bitches. It's a wrap. Oh, ooh. These are cute. They're blue, which is, I don't normally gravitate towards blue. My shades are always black for the most part. Black, turquoise, not tortoise. I meant tortoise. That brown color. I don't really deviate towards really bright, colorful frames. If there are any pictures of me in bright, colorful frames, just know that it's fake fucking news. Oh, these are kind of cute. I'm like, you know, looking like that beach. Who's that girl? It's me. It's Robin. Okay, these are cute as shit. I forgot how much they cost. I'm kind of balling on loans right now. You can see the ring light. Okay, but these are cute as shit. Probably give this away to somebody because I'm not a big fan of these styles. Yeah. So to my friends who are watching this, this might be a fucking Christmas gift if we keep it 100. So thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up, like I said. Subscribe. I got some shit coming. I got some shit in the works. Come watch a real bitch shoot some videos. Ah.